Aristotle is one of the greatest thinkers in history. He studied everything, from science to politics to ethics, and his ideas still shape the way we think today. But what did he actually believe? Let's explain Aristotle. Simply, who was Aristotle? Aristotle lived from 384 to 322 BC. He was a student of Plato, and later the teacher of Alexander the Great. Unlike Plato, who focused on ideal forms beyond our world, Aristotle wanted to study this world, what we can see, touch, and experience. He believed philosophy should start with observation, not abstract theory. In many ways, Aristotle was one of the first true scientists. Aristotle's big ideas: logic and observation. Aristotle believed we should use logic and careful observation to understand the world. He classified plants and animals, studied the stars, and even wrote about poetry and politics. For him, knowledge wasn't about imagining perfection, but about studying reality as it is. The four causes. Aristotle explained how things exist and change through what he called the four causes. Material cause: what something is made of. Formal cause: the design or shape of it. Efficient cause: how it was made. Final cause: its purpose or goal. For example, a wooden chair. The wood is the material, the design is the formal, the carpenter is the efficient, and the purpose, to sit, is the final cause. The golden mean. In ethics, Aristotle believed the good life is about balance. He called it the golden mean. Courage, for example, is the balance between recklessness and cowardice. Generosity is the balance between wastefulness and greed. To live well, Aristotle said, is to find the right balance in our actions and emotions. Politics and community. Aristotle believed humans are political animals. We naturally live in communities, and the purpose of politics is to help people live virtuous and flourishing lives. Why Aristotle still matters. His method of observation shaped modern science and research. His ethics still influence how we talk about character, virtue, and the good life. His political ideas laid the groundwork for later discussions of democracy and citizenship. So, simply put, Aristotle taught us to look at the real world, to search for balance in life, and to use reason to live well. And that's Aristotle, explained simply. Subscribe to Philosophy Explained Simply and keep learning one philosopher at a time.